देवेंद्र यादव, पी रवि कुमार, पी रवि कुमार, please mute your microphone. Rakesh, please mute everybody. I am sorry, sir. We'll continue. We applied under Atal Academy this course with an objective that system engineering is an area wherein being a multidisciplinary and less represented as far as the FTPs are concerned. We applied and fortunately under very tough competition, we got the sanction and permission to conduct this program at Manito. This program was started on 28th and the program was inaugurated by none other than the chairman of AICT, Professor Anil D. Sahasrabudhe ji, Vice Chairman of AICT and Member Secretary, Professor MP Punia ji and Professor Rajiv Kumar ji. R.K. Soni was very much present during inauguration also. Our director and director NEET, Mr. Manoj Kumar Tiwari were there. After the inauguration, we started the program and I'll just give you the galaxy of experts who have visited our program online. Professor M.K. Tiwari from NEET, he is director there. Professor Puneet Tandon, Professor IIIT Jabalpur. Then we have Professor Piyush Mehta, IIM Calcutta. Mr. S.K. Rajiv, Corporate Relation Manager from CSGI Durg. Professor Viswajit Mehanty, IIT Kharagpur. Dr. Dhruv Chandel from Industry, Customer Success Engineer, WorkMS. Then we have Dr. Ram Dhurkari, IIM Sirmaur. Professor Devendra Yadav, NIT Calicut. Professor Jitesh Thakkar, National Rail and Transport Institute of Vadodara. Professor Milind Sharma of MBM Engineering College. I myself and Professor Akhilesh Barve were we delivered 2 talks each, and we had 2 sessions on yoga and meditation to boost our immunity. This was given as a mandate by Atal Academy AICT. So under that category, we invited Mr. S.K. Rajiv Nair, Corporate Relation Manager, Yoga and Meditation Trainer, CSGI Durg. And we invited today only, last moment we scheduled another for Sahaj Yoga and one Miss Aditi and one Miss Chandrakar. They had a talk on practical session on Sahaj Yoga. The topics that were covered included digital supply chain management, design thinking, industrial design and quality function deployment, business model innovation through operations, research issues in system engineering, simulation and modeling, industrial application, quality control and system engineering, role of IT in system engineering, role of system engineering in disaster and pandemics, supply chain disruptions and role of logistics in pandemics, performance measurement of supply chain management, and the last session was on work system design. There was a written test conducted just now, and as a mandate again of Atal Academy AICT, every session there was a separate exclusive feedback collected that is being compiled and will be presented to Atal portal as well as our own institute authorities for their perusal. The program went off. It was attended by 144 registered participants, and with this brief of the 5 days program, another thing which I would like put to the notice to our dignitaries is that the program was represented from all over the country, like all the states there were representation, and from all these streams, all streams of engineering, management, sciences, arts, commerce. And the idea is this being a management topic, and the title was system engineering. So everybody would like to join this. This was the brief report from our side. I would request some of the participants who would like to share their experience, a quick feedback, a quick experience sharing. Anyone who is interested can unmute and open up mic and share for minutes, 1 or 2 minutes. 1 or 2 minutes.
Hello,
Yeah.
Am I audible, sir?
Yes.
Am I audible?
Yes.
Good evening,
Yes.
sir. Myself, Dr.
Yes. Now you are muted.
Good evening, sir.
Hi,
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir. Am I clearly audible, sir, now?
Yes, you are clearly audible.
हेलो सर
धर्मेश आप बोल रहे हैं, आप बोलिए, प्लीज बोलिए.
हाँ सर मैं बोल रहा हूँ. द सेशन वाज वेरी वंडरफुल फॉर एवरी डे. एंड जो आपने इसमें बीच में जो आज का भी जो सेशन हुआ मेडिटेशन का, और जो आपने नायर साहब का जो सेशन कराया था, दैट वाज एक्सेलेंट. और बाकी जितनी भी हम लोगों को चीजें शेयर की आप लोगों ने, सर वो बहुत ही बेहतर था, बहुत ही नॉलेजेबल था. और हम लोग अपने आप को, आई थिंक सो, दैट वाज माय पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस, दैट we should definitely boost our knowledge level, so that will be benefited to the students and they may also get benefited, sir. Although I could not score very much in the quiz section, but more than 60% mark I scored. But sir, my experience for the FDP was wonderful. I thanks to all the organizing committee for organizing such a wonderful FDP. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Dharmesh. I would like to inform to all the dignitaries the test that we have conducted was on Google Form, and it was pre-mark. So the moment they submitted, they got their marks also. So they know their marks. That's why he is saying he did not score much. So anybody else who would like to share his experience?
This is Dr. Anand Bevu.
Yeah, Anand. Yeah, Anand.
I'm teaching system engineering, so I am getting more inputs from this particular FDP. All the sessions are very much relevant, and experts from all across, rather, they are sharing their experiences and their knowledge. And the way you actually coordinating, we are actually very much thankful for you to sharing also your resource materials with us. And definitely I am very much confident to incorporate the inputs from this particular thing in my teaching to my MTech students. Thanks a lot. Thanks to all speakers as well. And special thanks to Soni sir and Akhilesh Barve sir. Thank you.
Thank you, Anand. Thank you, Anand. Soni sir, you are mute.
I am Dr. P. Ravikumar, calling from CMR College of Engineering and Technology, Hyderabad. Sir, the FDP and systems engineering is wonderful. All the lectures presented by eminent experts are relevant, and we have gained knowledge through these lectures. So in overall, I got benefited through this FDP. I thank the organizers for providing me and granting me an opportunity to attend this conference, attend this FDP. Thank you, sir. Special thanks to the organizers, Vimlesh Kumar sir.
Thank you, Ravikumar.
Sir, I am Professor Hemant Sharma from PIEMR Indore, Prestige College, and I want to give a special thanks to all the organizing committee members. For example, Akhilesh Barve sir, his lecture was also very too good for in project management, and as well as all the lectures which are given by special professors and eminent personalities. I was very much delighted.
Thank you, Hemant. Thank you very much. Any other?
Yeah.
Soni sir, you are mute. English sir.
This always happen naturally because normally some time is set. So I will now thanks to all the participants, because your feedback, formal feedback, has already been recorded. But we thought that before we read that, we can have some idea at this platform also, so that our dignitaries also will come to know exactly is there any impact found of this FDP or not. I'll now take this program further and would request Professor Manmohanji Kapseji to please say a few words. Sir, with your able guidance, I remember the moment it came to Atal Academy last year, you initiated to give this responsibility to a separate responsibility to Dr. Preeti Omkar. She was also supposed to join, but she is not available. She is busy somewhere. But this was a great initiative. And Dr. R.K. Soni, you would appreciate that at our institute, there is a professor in charge for Atal Academy courses only. And that initiative was taken by Professor Kapse, and it was agreed by our director, Professor Raghuvanshi. So With this introduction, Professor Kapshe is a professor in the Department of Architecture and Planning, apart from being Dean of Institute Development. Would request him to say a few words from his side.
Good evening, everybody. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
First of all, a big thank you to Atal Academy. We have been holding programs supported by Atal Academy for last 1 year. Initially, these programs were in offline mode, being organized in Marriott campus. But with COVID coming in from March, everybody moved to online platforms, and we had to make lots of changes in our program structure. We were initially worried that shifting from offline, in-person, in-class teaching to online platform for training programs would have its own problems. But as was highlighted by Professor V.K. Soni, that it had its own benefits as well. Because those experts from whom we could not have been able to draw because of physical distance and restrictions which they were facing in terms of traveling and spending time, just for delivering 1 hour long lecture in Bhopal, a person from Kolkata or from Chennai would have to spend 3 days, 2 days for traveling and 1 day in Bhopal, and that's too huge a cost. In a way, it was a blessing in disguise that the programs which we could offer in online mode, we could bring in lots of more expertise in comparison to what we were able to bring in offline mode. I would also like to thank my colleagues, V.K. Soni sir and Barve, Professor Barve, that they took initiative in organizing these programs. And as has been highlighted by V.K. Soni, that we decided that we should have an additional person who would be specifically looking after these programs and their organization. Madam Pritiyankar has not been able to join us. Otherwise, she is the person who is responsible in handling all activities related to Atal Academy programs in. Coming to systems engineering, I can share it with you that though I am a faculty member from Architecture and Planning Department, I have a little bit background in management, having done my fellow program from IIM Ahmedabad, and I do deal with some management issues, and the coursework which I did in that, definitely it was necessary along with PGP students to go through lots of system engineering related issues. And I was happy that one of the names mentioned by you from IIM Kolkata, Piyush Mehta, he is actually my batchmate from IIM Ahmedabad. So you could rope in such people from different places. That was a great success. And hopefully for the participants, it would have given a lot of rich experience listening to such expertise. We could get lots of positive feedback from all the participants. Honestly, we are not interested in that. We know that if we have done a good job, then definitely there would be lots of appreciation. But to all participants, I would also request that if they feel that something was missing in this program, some particular issues, some topics which you expected that you would get some information on, and you found that somehow in the program schedule, those issues were not addressed, please write to the organizers, the coordinators. It would help us in bringing in such expertise next time. So it's not a negative feedback. Don't think that you are giving a negative feedback by saying that certain things were not discussed in this. 5 days are limited. We have only 15 sessions, so we can only deliver that much. But your suggestions are welcome, and please send them to us because it could help us in improving the quality of the courses in future. With that, I will close. And it is always because of the participants that the program. So I would like to thank all the participants for their wholehearted support in joining this program and attending it. I believe that this would have been beneficial for them, and it would be mutually enriching for us as well. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Thanks for your words. I knew actually while I was interacting with Professor Piyush Mehta, I could recollect my previous references. First I met him in 2007 with your reference only at IIT Kanpur. And he has consented kindly, and he was very excited to visit, in fact, before. But then when it was online, then he said, no problem. It's good that because there's a time challenge also. So he came, and not only that, IIT Kharagpur, we got good faculty and very senior faculty to talk on research issues. That was something which only senior people can handle such kind of topic. With these words, I again thank Akshay sir. I'll now request Dr. Ravin Kumarji Soni, Director of National Academy, the person behind this particular visionary initiative of AICTE, to speak and say a few words to the participant as a direct dialogue to the participant from Director National Academy. Dr. R.K. Soni, please.
Thank you so much, sir, and very good evening to you all. On my personal behalf and on behalf of National Academy and AICTE, I'm here just to thank everyone. In fact, Director MANIT Bhopal, Dr. N.S. Raghuvanshi sir, I was going through his profile, and he's having a very high credential. In fact, he's a researcher, administrator, and academician, and as well as a lot of award winner, Fulbright scholar. So I just wanted to thank him also, but he's not here. I hope my words will go to him, and highly thankful to Director Dr. Raghuvanshi, because without the help of head of institution, the National Academy program, the FDP funded by AICTE will not run well. So therefore, his directions, his wishes, and all his support and help is very much required for that. So therefore, on behalf of AICTE, we are thankful to the director, Dr. Kapse, Professor Kapse, Professor Dikshit, Professor Akhilesh Barbeji, and my elder brother, mentor, Dr. Kumar Soni Saab. Highly thankful to you. In fact, it's a galaxy of academicians in MNIT Bhopal. I'm highly thankful. I feel like very much connected to the institution in my own vicinity in hometown, something like that. So first of all, I should say that this FDP, particularly in system engineering, gone well. And as mentioned by Professor Kapse, that because of this online, you could rope in many experts from good institutions like IIM and IIT. This is the benefit in online FDP. We planned initially only in face-to-face FDP, and because of the COVID, only we gone online, and then we gone a massive online FDP, I should say. And because of this COVID, in fact, we scaled it like anything. Otherwise, we could have gone a little lesser number. Because of this COVID only, we are all confined. Faculty members also confined in their hometown, their residence. And because of their demand, we scaled it, and we had gone more than the actual planning, initial planning. And it is because of happening only because of the institution like MNIT Bhopal, because of the coordinator like our Vimnesh Kumar Soni, he is from AICTE only, so the access is also easier. But other coordinators and even co-coordinator like Dr. Akhilesh Barbeji, the program has gone well. I heard from some of the participants, and they have all good words for the FDP. Even other FDPs also being praised like anything. There are some disadvantage also. We know that some practical part is missing in those FDPs, and hands-on experience is also missing. And we are going to introduce soon the virtual laboratories and then simulation with the help of AR/VR. But of course, the physical interaction and the face-to-face interaction is always missing. That part is missing. But still, the quality of the program has gone well. There are some other things which we introduced in these FDPs, like all the sessions are being recorded, and these recorded sessions are being put in YouTube. So even in future also, one can evaluate the quality of the program. That is one issue where it was missing in offline FDP. We never recorded in offline FDP. We never put that recorded session in YouTube. And that recorded session which we are going to put in YouTube, that will always be available in our Atal portal. So far, we have uploaded the recorded sessions of 120 FDPs. So we are going to put these recorded sessions, almost more than 500 FDPs recorded session will be there. thousands of hours FDP recorded session is already in the Atal portal, Atal website, Atal web page, and many more, maybe lakhs of hours of recorded session will be available on that Atal web page. So this will be the huge resources to the country, in fact, and especially for those who are in that field, faculty, in particularly that those who are teaching like system engineering, some faculty might be interested. Some faculty may be interested in AI, cybersecurity, whoever is interested in those areas. So they're getting that recorded session. They are watching it, and I have seen that, sir, one or more than one FDP continuously going on through recorded session actually. And every day around 1,000 people are watching concurrently to those recorded sessions. So that has become very popular. And thanks to the coordinator for accepting it, because recording the session and accepting or putting in the YouTube, it means that quality session is there, and that's why otherwise it cannot be put in YouTube and then making it public and then put it in again in AICTE, and that is available forever. So it means it is the quality sessions are going on. We are not supposed to evaluate it. The participants are evaluating it. In the future also, they will evaluate all FDPs because their recorded sessions are available. So thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you, MNIT. Thank you, coordinator. Thank you, the coordinator, Dr. Warbe, and all academician, senior colleague here, Dr. Kavse, Dr. Dikshit, and the director, in fact. Especially Professor V.K. Soniji has told that to tell about the feedback. The participants, those who are here, I just wanted to share something which is necessary to you. First of all, the coordinator has to put the attendance of all 5 days. After completion of 5 days, the 5 days attendance has to be feeded in Atal portal. After feeding the attendance, then you will get the link will be activated for feeding the marks. So you can feed the marks thereafter. And then once the attendance and marks are feeded, then the participants log in. The feedback link will be activated. In case your attendance is lesser or your marks is lesser, that is a compulsory things are there. The mandatory, that is you have to get 80% attendance and 60% marks in final test. So if you are eligible for in both the parameter, the link for the feedback will be activated. The last day means today it will be activated after feeding these two things, and then you can feed the feedback. Some questionnaire is there, and you have to feed those. You have to answer those questions, and once you answer the question, you submit that, and after submission of the feedback, you will be able to download the certificate. But you cannot download the certificate automatically. Once these three things are feeded in the portal, then you have to wait at least for 1 working day. Today is holiday, so it's not working day. You may feed after completion of the attendance and the marks in the portal, maybe by evening or maybe tomorrow. So if suppose tomorrow is Saturday, you feed it, then you cannot download the certificate tomorrow. You cannot download certificate on Sunday also. You'll be getting a message once you try to download that after feeding attendance and marks in the portal by coordinator, and after giving the feedback by participants, you have to wait for 1 working day. So why it's 1 working day? Because Atal official will give approval for those. So we have little bit control over here. Suppose some feedback we are getting from coordinator or some other corner. So at least in 1 working day, we have some management over there. After in 1 working day, we'll approve all the participants, whoever meet the criteria, and they will be able to download the digital certificate. So that is the formalities are there. Some more formalities are there. Once attendance is feeded, marks is feeded, the coordinator may see that there are many things which are to be feeded in the portal. After that, the UC is to be uploaded, the report is to be uploaded, media report is to be uploaded. One video reporting kind of things, maybe 50 MB we have put over there. So some video reporting. It is not the recorded session of FDP, but video reporting kind, some clipping of inaugural session, some clipping of maybe while session is being delivered, or validity session, examinations. So that is a 50 MB of video, maybe 3-minute video, maybe put over there just for a record that in future that even the participants' feedback may also be put into maybe given the space in that 50 MB video. So that small video may be uploaded on portal. So all these things are that after completion of all the formality, we'll be issuing one certificate to the coordinator that this is completed. The thanks letter will be issued by the AICTE. So on with this note, from my code of heart, I pay gratitude also to the coordinator and to the all authorities of MANIT Bhopal, and especially the dignitaries present over here, Professor Kapse, Professor Dikshit, Professor Wabe, and my elder brother, the Professor V.K. Soniji, and highly thankful to all participants, because when they are sincere, then only the entire FDP will go well. So thankful to all participants, and congratulations to MANIT Bhopal. As the Professor Soni mentioned that there was a tough competition. He knows that we received around 5,000 applications, and out of 5,000 applications, we could screen 500 FDP. So 1 to 10 ratio something was there. So that was a tough competition. Professor Soni was in, I should say that, I should declare that he was in selection process. You can say during those, when we finalized the 500 FDP, he was there in very much process. So it was a tough competition, in fact, for among NIT, IIT, Triple IT, Technical Elementaries, very renowned institutions are there. So it was because of the institutions shown their interest for conducting the Atal FDP. So we are thankful to all the institutions. With this note, I will not take much time. It's already 6:33. So thank you all, and thank you all the stakeholders. With this note, I'll stop here only. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, Soni Saab. In fact, what you said is perfect, because getting a program under Atal, see, we can conduct many programs, and it's not a matter of financial challenges for IITs or NITs, but when there is a brand is linked, like say Atal Academy, is more accepted nowadays. And thank you very much for all support that you have provided sitting out there, and the information that you have given, that until unless we upload the attendance and marks, the link for submitting the feedback will not open. And once they feed the feedback, then only after a working day, they will be able to download the certificate. That's a great information for all the participants. Our participants can note, because they have started asking the question about certificate the moment we were coming to the last session. So thank you very much, Sonisa, once again. I will now request our head of the department, Professor G. Dikshit. I'll tell you, system engineering, we were talking for last 5 days, but I have seen practically system engineering being executed at the Department of Mechanical Engineering. It was a case study for us as faculty of this area, that while shifting from old building to new building, and not only that, there are very small projects which our HOD picks up, and the way he handles it, he uses the system approach everywhere. So when he shifted the building from one building to the other, the system he has employed was extremely successful, and the way we shifted, the way we are now set up very soon in the new building is a perfect example of how best to use the resources available to you, how best you can minimize the cost of all these logistics, how best you can make best out of waste. Even while shifting, a lot of furniture was going waste, and that's what has become a case study for all of us. With these words, I would request our HOD, who is always supportive, he is always sitting with us, standing with us, and giving us all the assignments, not as HOD, but as a senior colleague. With this, sir, I would request you to please say a few words on this endeavor of Department of Mechanical Engineering, and we are at the closer of a successful program as far as the feedback is concerned. So over to Professor Dikshit, please.
All right. Good evening, one and all. Professor Raghuvanshi ji, our Director, MANIT Bhopal, Professor Manmohan Kapse, Dean ID, Professor Ravindra Kumar Soni, Director, Atal Academy, AICTE, Professor C.S. Verma, Regional Officer, AICTE Bhopal, Professor Preeti Omkar, Professor in charge, ID, MANIT Bhopal, and my colleagues from the Department of Mechanical Engineering, Professor Vimlesh Kumar Soni. He is one of the most sincere and dedicated professor and as a human in the department. Professor Akhilesh Varve, another very sincere professor of the department, the coordinators of FDP on system engineering. At the outset, I congratulate the visionary leadership of AICTE New Delhi to take the well-designed initiative to foster the knowledge and skill of teaching faculty of its approved institution across the country through Atal Academy at AICTE. I thank Atal Academy of AICTE to choose Manit Bhopal to become a partner in this initiative. The faculty development program on system engineering had been planned and being executed to enhance the capability of teaching faculty in the multidisciplinary area of operations management with an objective to learn the practices of industries in performance improvement with integrated system approach. The contents are designed in such a manner that faculty member from all the discipline shall be benefited by learning the advanced knowledge related to system approach in various applications like concurrent engineering with a focus at integrated design approach, work system design, supply chain management, quality management, innovative business models through operations, etc. The speakers were drawn from Indian Institute of Technology, Indian Institute of Management, IIITs, NITs, and industries. In the prevailing COVID-19 pandemic, the role of spirituality, yoga, and meditation has been widely appreciated, and therefore the mandate of Atal Academy also have 2 exclusive sessions on yoga and meditation. Experts from industry have covered the application of simulation and modeling in the system engineering approach. The program has received overwhelming response, and a total of 144 participants have registered to attend the program. The number carries a balanced representation from all the states of the country. I remain updated about the progress of the FDP during all 5 days through feedback from the coordinators. I realized that online mode of conducting such program are the perfect example of blessing in disguise. Today, all of you wrote a structured written test. Systematic feedback has been recorded by the coordinators for every technical session. The whole system in which the course is organized is very effective, and I therefore congratulate the coordinator, Dr. V.K. Soni and Dr. Varve. I wish all the participants in rich learning out of this course. Thank you, one and all present, for patient hearing of my words. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir. With these kind words about the program, I remember day 1 to day 5. There were many occasions when, because I was coordinating from my office, Akhilesh was sitting in his office, or sometime we were doing from our home. If he is on his visit to the department, he will drop into my office or Akhilesh's office and will ask how it's going on, any problem. If you find, please let me know. So this is the gesture of our authorities, sir. Be it Dean, Institute Development, or any other, portfolio of Dean. Even Director Morning, when I just requested him on WhatsApp that this is what, if possible, would you like to join, sir? We would be, benefited. He simply said, I attended the inauguration. I could realize how well the program is being organized. I would like to know the feedback of the participant later, but because he was having some engagement, so he could not make it to attend this. And he has conveyed all the best wishes to all the participants and the dignitaries present today. With these words, I will now take the program to my colleague, Professor Akhilesh Varve, because this kind of event, particularly in a change scenario, could not have been possible to successfully accomplish without the support and blessings from many elders, many colleagues, many at par people who were working with us day and night, including our students. So I would welcome and invite Professor Akhilesh Barve to present vote of thanks to all those who were behind us while we were conducting this program. Professor Akhilesh Barve, please.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Good evening, everyone. Respected Dr. R.K. Soni Saab, Director AICT, Professor Manmohan Kapse, Dean ID Menit, Professor Dikshit, HOD Mechanical, and all colleagues and participants. It's my privilege to have been asked to propose a vote of thanks on this occasion. I and Dr. Vimlesh Kumar Soni, on behalf of Department of Mechanical Engineering and entire Menit Bhopal family and Fraternity of System Engineering and Operations Management, extend a very hearty vote of thanks to all speakers for gracing your important work, us your opinions. A big thank you to Dr. R.K. Soni Saab, Director AICT, for giving us chance to conduct the prestigious FDP and interacting with the lovely participants. I must mention our deep sense of appreciation for Director Menit Bhopal, Professor N.S. Raghuvanshi Saab, for his guidance and encouragement to conduct this FDP. Further, we are grateful to Professor Manmohan Kapse, Dean ID, for demonstrating his interest and all-time support. I may like to express our sincere thanks to Professor G. Dikshit, HOD Mechanical, for giving us all kind of care throughout the event. I am also very grateful to Dr. Preeti, Professor in charge, Institute Development, for official support. I would like to take this opportunity to place on record our hearty thanks to perfect logistic support by Mr. Rakesh and Mr. Faisal and our organizing team, Shubham Sachan, Sumanta, Shubham, Puneet, Abhiram, Sandeep, Siddharth, to make this event flawless. Finally, I would like to express my gratitude to all participants who are with us from the last 5 days and make the session more interactive in spite of challenges of network issues. Thank you all. I wish that this FDP will develop relationship among us. Thank you all participants. Thank you everyone for kind support. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Professor. Thank you, Professor Akhilesh. With this vote of thanks, with the permission of dignitaries, we announce the program formally closed. Though we remain connected, sir, of course, HOD sir and we are interacting every day. Professor Kapse, for one or the other reason, I find opportunity to interact with him, and I really always feel delighted to when I interact with him. Professor R.K. Soni, for one or other reason, we have been talking Soni ji number of times, and it's good that we are still associated. Once you leave an organization, if you are still associated with the people working there, it's a great feeling. I mean, I cannot express over here. So thanks for all that you keep remembering me and assign me a lot of duties there even now. Then, of course, the participants, my beloved participants, we have spent 5 days. Physically, we were not there, but I can realize. Thanks all. Thank you very much. With this, I think we can leave the meeting. And thanks once again. I mean, I cannot stop abruptly what to say. The only thing is that the body of knowledge that we could enhance, even as a coordinator, I can understand as a participant, even we learned a lot of things from the participants. So we all together will strengthen the fraternity of system engineering and look for longer association with Atal Academy specifically and AICT in general in future courses. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. In fact, I'm also carrying the same feeling. Highly obliged to you. I'm more connected, more associated now, I feel like. Like MNIT, Bhopal and AICT, the gap is now filled because of these kind of programs. So thank you so much for bridging the gap, sir. and we'll have definitely. I am looking for the better collaboration, in fact, with Dr. Tata Academy Community Bhopal. So that will definitely look forward that, and since you are there, so it will be very much possible, sir.
Yeah, of course, yes, of course, yes.
Thank you
so much,
Shashi.
sir.
Jain साहब आप अटेंड किए रेगुलरली अटेंड किए. Thank you all participants.
नहीं सर, so nice of you. आप सबको बहुत बहुत बधाई हो सर, इंक्लूडिंग मैनेट, एचओडी सर, मनमोहन कापसे सर, सोनी सर, बर्वे सर.
आप जैसे पार्टिसिपेंट भी रहेंगे तो मजा आ जाता है.
नहीं सर, इट इज बेसिकली और टोटली अ टीम एफर्ट. एक तरफ आप लोग, एक तरफ हम लोग हैं सर. The motivation comes from the coordinator in how sincerely you have, how much pain you are taking for conducting all the sessions, properly introducing all the eminent speakers, coordinating all the sessions, and timely conduction of sessions, ensuring all the participants are available on time. This is a Herculean task, sir. And that too at 7 p.m. in the evening, the sessions are being continuing. So really, hats off to all the efforts done by you, sir. Really, so nice of you.
Thank you, sir.
I think I should introduce one of the participants, Professor Shashi Kumar Jain, is a director in one of the engineering colleges of Bhopal, and that is one of the leading engineering colleges. And I was when I saw him first, somehow we know each other before also. So I was surprised because we are from the same college. He passed from Jabalpur Engineering College, and I was little doubtful whether it will be possible for him to continue. But I was really having a pleasant surprise. Every day, full time video on and complete participation. And like this, there were many senior people. Like this, there were many senior people. Yeah.
It's a good participation.
It was a great experience. So
basically, it is only possible on account of close-knit interaction of coordinators with participants. Then only it is possible.
That's true.
Just like during my PhD days, I read some research papers of Kapse sir. He did his PhD from IIM Ahmedabad, as far as I remember. Yes. So, this is like a kind of bonding ki, yeah, though we haven't met each other quite frequently, but I know his name, his research work. So these are the kind of bondings we share with each other.
Right.
These bondings. And one should have respect for these things.
Dr. Jain, I just wanted to share that VK Soni has already demonstrated a high level of management in AICT, and the kind of things as I have not seen even any other person anywhere elsewhere. So that's why I know that the way he has shown the maturity and the experiences, the way he managed the things, he managed the people. I think it's a very amazing, excellent, wonderful.
And one of the most difficult tasks, how to manage the people.
Sir, it is a really great experience for me also to work with Soni sir. 5 days, I just amazing to see his personality and the way he did it.
It was really nice, very nice teamwork from all of you.
Yeah.
So I have felt that Professor Soni, VK Soni, is one of the most sincere professor in our department.
True, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for kind words. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you, Akhilesh. Yeah, it is always teamwork, and we have fun with each other.
Yeah.
Really, being my college senior, it also imbibes me a sense of pride. Ki, yeah, my senior is performing so well over there. So nice. Thank you.
Thank you very much for all kind words. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Still, entire AICT is missing you, sir. Entire AICT is missing you. Still.
That's why I feel moving ahead to for some or other assignment we keep meeting. That's a great way to do. Thank you very much to all of you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
आज गांधी जयंती है सर और हम नेशनल हॉलिडे के दिन प्रोग्राम कर रहे हैं. So we put the poster of Mahatma Gandhi Jayanti just to commemorate his presence also there. So we celebrated that also. So happy Gandhi Jayanti to all of you. Yes. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Okay, sir. Dhanyawad. Namaskar.
Thank you.